Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best raised garden bed designs in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Best Choice Products Raised Garden Bed. Offering 5 cubic feet of gardening space, this is our top choice. Sturdy and durable, it provides plenty of room for plants and vegetables without taking up too much outdoor space. The stand's 3 holes along the bottom help keep the soil fresh and prevent plants from becoming waterlogged. Standing 39 inches tall, the stand is about waist height for the average adult, minimizing the need to bend down or kneel to reach the plants. The elevated design is also helpful for deterring pests and rodents from invading your garden. Assembling this raised garden bed is straightforward and fairly painless. You should be able to connect the boards easily via dovetail slots, though a mallet might come in handy if you encounter any resistance. The company also provides 8 screws and pre-drilled holes you can use to fasten the pieces together for added stability. Plus, the package includes a liner separating the wood from the potting soil, which improves the planter's longevity. Number 2. Our second best pick is FOYUEE Garden Bed on Wheels. It offers ample growing space for an assortment of plants, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. At just over 31 inches tall, there's no need to bend down to reach the plants. We love that you can move this planter around easily with the help of wheels on one side and a wide, comfortable handle on the other. Another convenient feature is the lower storage shelf, which can hold gardening tools and other supplies. Made of galvanized steel with a rust-resistant coating, this unit is less prone to rotting than its wooden counterparts. And the dark steel frame gives it a more modern aesthetic. Helping to prevent overwatering, a drainage hole and line located in the middle of the cart allows excess water to escape. The only hitch is water drains directly onto the lower storage shelf, so avoid storing any items you don't want to get wet. Assembly is fairly easy, with included hardware, but not the necessary pliers and screwdriver, but expect it to take longer than the manufacturer's 5-minute claim. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Landguard Galvanized Raised Garden Bed Kit. It may not win awards for aesthetics, but it is one of the most durable options. Made of galvanized metal sheets, this bed highly resists rust, corrosion, and water pressure. Because it's thicker than most other rectangular elevated garden beds, it is extremely solid and sturdy. This unit is fairly easy to assemble, but the process is a bit time-consuming due to the number of nuts and bolts. This garden bed has an open base, which effectively protects plant roots by preventing excess water from accumulating. Measuring 48 inches across and 12 inches deep, it's suitable for growing deep-rooted plants such as watermelons, pumpkins, and squash. There's plenty of room to grow larger crops of vegetables or multiple vining plants. You can order it in 2 larger sizes as well as 5 colors: silver, gray, green, brown, and blue. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Keter Easy Grow 31. 7-gallon raised garden bed. The watering system and reservoir on this one ensure that your plants receive just the right amount of water. A built-in water gauge indicates when plants require extra moisture. When the gauge turns red, it allows excess water to drain. If it's green, you have to go ahead to water again. Made from polypropylene resin, this planter is durable enough to stand up to everyday outdoor use. However, thanks to its leak-proof design, it's also safe to use indoors. The drainage plug contains water within the planter until you decide to empty it. The raised garden bed, which stands about 30 inches, eliminates the need to bend or crouch while gardening. Offering a 31.7-gallon growing space, the planter is spacious enough to accommodate an assortment of vegetables, herbs, and flowers. As an added bonus, the Keter Really Garden Bed is very easy to assemble, requiring only a screwdriver to attach the legs. This planter's classic rattan pattern pairs well with most outdoor patio furniture, and you can buy the product in dark brown or dark gray. We've seen some reports of products arriving damaged, so be sure to give yours a thorough inspection. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Emsco Group City Picker's Raised Bed Grow Box. Due to its compact size, this is ideal for growing a couple of vegetables or a handful of herbs. This planter is perfect for patios, apartments, fire escapes, and other urban areas with limited space. Despite its budget price tag, it offers a slew of convenient features. The unit sits on 4 swivel casters, so it's incredibly easy to move around. The self-watering system allows it to wick moisture from the 2-gallon water reservoir and release excess water via overflow holes, preventing overwatering. Plants are positioned above an aeration screen, which encourages oxygen flow for faster growth. This is only about 9 inches deep, which is rather shallow, especially if your plants require ample water and root space. However, the tub's mulch cover reduces evaporation and prevents the soil from drying out. Minimal assembly is required. All you do is attach the wheels and insert the fill tube and screen. Even though this is one of the least costly options on the market, this small garden bed exceeds expectations with its thoughtful and functional design. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.